Highest spike in positive cases were reported in Goa on 15 July 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 15 July 2020, 198 new positive cases were reported in Goa. 67 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 2,951. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,259. Total recovered cases stands at 1,674. Total 18 deaths are reported till 15 July 2020. Out of 6,064 samples tested, 2,374 are negative, 198 are positive, 3,492 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 28. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 84, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 15 July 2020. Breakup of total 1,259 active positive cases are as follows. Travel by road, train flight 129, Mangur Hill 78, link to Mangur Hill 408, Kurtorim 6, Margao 16, Quappam 17, Lutolim 26, Indiranagar Chimbal 39, Navilim 9, Ganganagar Mapsa 7, Sakre 25, Kamrabad Tonka 1, Kankona 6, Fatodda 1, Kurka Shankarwadi 1, Raya 3, Kundaim 1, Verna 1, Motidongar 7, Ponda 49, Kamulim 1, Walpoy 19, Marcel 2, Usgao 8, Bicholim 8, Shiroda 18, Pernam 12, Pilar 3, Goavela 4, Wolvoy 4, Sangam 4, Kurchorem 2, Mandur 13, Porvorem 3, Dharbandora 11, Kunkolim 27, Vadem Vasco 1, Kandolim 1, Kholim Mapsa 2, Karambolim 5, Panji 1, Parra Mapsa 1, Marsaim 9, Nerul 23, Benaulim 3, Neura 5, Tulip Diagnostic 136, Varam 2, Khandola 40, Karanzale 2, Kolim 3, Kansarvarnem 2, Karaswada 16, Zelpe Mapsa 7, Kotambi Quapam 6, Alem 2, Dona Paula 2, Nuam 4, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Betal Batim 1, isolated case in Bambolim 1, isolated case in Kolwae 1, isolated case in Chinchanim 1, isolated case in Kumbarzua 1, isolated case in Kolwa 1, isolated case in Martol 1, isolated case in Gurem 1, isolated case in Kalangut 1, isolated case in Kansalim 1, isolated case in Gaulebat Chimbel 1, isolated case in Taligaon 1. Cases in major locations are as follows. Sada 98, Baina 124, Kurtorim 37, New Wadam 107, Chimbal 93, Zuarinagar 157, Kariwada 86, Bali 42, Tulip Diagnostic 136. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.